Good day, ma'am. I'm Warren Soliano from 3A. Today, I'll be presenting Introduction to Digital Communication. Introduction to Digital Communication explains the basic idea of why and how data is transmitted in digital form. In short, digital communication turning binary data into signals that can move through a medium allowing devices to exchange information. And now source coding, representing information like text, audio, video in the form of binary digits. It is the step it is the first step in digital communication. In short, source coding turning real-world information into efficient binary form before it goes through line coding, modulation, and transmission. Communication channels are explained as the mediums through which signals travel from sender to receiver. The video also mentions that channels are not perfect. They add noise or random interface. Signals can suffer and distortion. In short, the communication channel, the physical medium that transports the modulated signal from sender to receiver. Channel coding comes after source coding and before modulation, adds redundancy to the bitstream purpose, allow to receiver to detect and correct errors caused by noise or distortion. Common techniques mention error detection codes and error correction codes. In short, channel coding protection the data by adding redundancy so errors can be spotted and fixed during transmission. Modulation channels. There are three main digital modulation techniques were highlighted. First, amplitude shift keying, frequency shift keying, phase shift keying, and modulation helps signals travel longer distance and resist noise better than raw digital pulses. In short, the modulation channels where the binary data is carried by a wave amplitude, frequency, or phase so it can move effectively through the communication medium. My summary in the video. The summary highlights the whole flow of digital communication from start to finish. Works by converting information into bits, protecting it with coding mapping and onto signal through modulation and transmitting it across channels so that arrives accurately at the receiver despite noise and interface.